Careful. Elijah. Just kidding. You need help? Keep going. Are you stuck? Which way are you going? Up or down? Which way are you going? Which way are you going? You want to get down? Are you trying to get down? Put your hand up there. Okay. You want to do it yourself? Fine. Well, don't ask for help and then tell me and then push me away when I try to help. Yay. Well, you're coming off the edge there, bud. Do you want help? You're doing it. Do you want some help? Do you want help? All right. Push me away again. You got the blood rushing to your head? Push. I think that cushions me. Take a rest. That's a lot of work. Don't touch.